Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Holden Cruze, stock number 6568. This ran from the 3rd 2013 to the 1st 2017. It has an A16 4 litre 4 cylinder 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the A16 1.6 litre 4 cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard no dents, left front aftermarket 19-inch wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear aftermarket 19-inch wheel good tyre, right rear 19-inch aftermarket tyre run good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 19-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,